I took it out. I'm gonna show you how. One, Torx behind this little door that I use this guy to pry off, just like over here. Go right between the crack. See how it pries off? You get it. Now pop out. And now we have a, what is this? T20. Alright, now, not as easy as it looks. You go right behind here with this guy, or this guy. And there's a pin that is holding it to the body right there. See it? Plugs in there. And now we got two bulbs. Yeah, look, it's your part number. A new bulb. New tail light, I mean. So this guy, I got the description. Just turn. Same with this one. Let's do this. Gotta get better with these. Can't see them. Can't see them. W5W. Put the link in the description. And we got more clips holding it to the body. So you got 3 in total. 1, 2, 3. Let's turn this guy. I'll show you what this one is. I think it's the blinker. Toshiba. What is this? W21W. I'll put the link in the description. There you go. Just put it back in, turn it, and line these puppies back up so you put the screw back. Make sure they lock into place. There you go. Guide all 3 back. Now you have it. Put the 1 screw back. And like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.